Welcome back friends. Now in this lecture we are going to learn about number formattings, and this number formattings are given exactly here. This is the number formatting. We are going to learn about number formatting. If you double click on this, we can open up this detail about number formattings. Another shortcut is we have learned in the last lecture. If you press Ctrl 1, you can again see the form of number formattings and various detailed other things. Let us learn one by one. Now in the here we have written numbers and below that is 11. I can have these numbers in decimal format, and here is for increasing the decimal or decreasing decimal the shortcuts. If I click on this, I can have decimals. If I click on the adjacent button like this, I can remove the decimals also. Now what happened is, it is my choice if I have to have 2 decimals or 3 decimal parts. Similarly for others also, I can have it. I can select multiple cells and increase the number of decimals. Now after selecting all these, there is another option here. You can see on the screen a comma. When I put a comma here, it will give me a default style like this. Now for the first two, 11 and 101, it is okay, and for 1001 it puts a comma so that it is easily readable. We understand this by clicking it in the cell number C5. Here it is written 10 lakh, and when I click on this comma, I can see it in the format of comma format. Now you see hash is there because the size increases. Need not to worry about, this is not an error. Just double click on the joint of C and D and it will increase. Now the format is, you can see 10 lakh. This is an Indian format. It might be possible that the format in your case could have been like this in American format. So need not to worry about, because I have my default format as this. You might be having up this format on your screen. That is a possibility. My default format is what you can see with instead of these 3 spaces and this one, I'm having 10 and 2 zeros, and after that like this. So you need not to worry about that. It all depends on the type of format that we are talking about. In this similar fashion, we can have numbers with decimals or not. Similarly, we can work out with dates also. When I click on dates and I want to change the format of this, there is a shortcut here. I can click on here and go to a short date or a long date. Let me select our long date format. I click on a long date format. It comes out to January 1, 2020. Now there is a possibility that I don't like this format and I can have another format. So what I can do is I can press Ctrl 1. It is by default is selecting date because the last thing that I worked on is date, and in date I can select a date format, whereas let us say Wednesday 14 March, this format, and when I click on this format I can have this date format, and in the lower one I can select a date format of like let us say long date format, and in the third one we can have a date format of let us say like format like this in a short format 1123. It is your choice what type of format you want, and you can have those formats. Similar cases with the currency. You click on the currency here. When you go here, there is an option of currency, and you can put a symbol. Let us say rupee. I want to have a rupee here, and there is a rupee symbol comes up. Somebody may not want to have a rupee. Somebody would like to have their currency in American dollar. Then let us try this. You go and click on this 100 here, and double click on the number format or press Ctrl 1. Go to currency, and in the currency select the currency type, and here it is written English dollar United States. You select this and press OK. The dollar sign comes up with 2 decimal places. So if you want to increase decimal places, increase it. If you want to decrease or don't want to have a decimal place, you cannot have a decimal place. That is your choice. If you want to have any other currency format, you can have any other of those currency format. Similarly, there is a account format. There is a shortcut also here for currency. You can click on this and select a already given format. For example, I want to have euro. Some popular formats here are given. I select euro and I can have a euro format here. Similarly, there are lots and lots of others formats are there for this: percentage, time, fraction, scientific, text, special, customs. You can use any of those formats. These are very simple and auto understandable to use. One more important thing, suppose here 11 is there and some problem or something happens with you. You simply go up on this simple and click on general format and make it general, and after that whatever the format you want to put it, you can put any other format on this. So with this here we completed our major portions of the format.